Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Today I am going to share the recipe of how to make healthy Suji Ka Halwa. For this we need the regular things and with a twist of chia seeds and flax seeds. Here you can see I have roasted. The suji and added some milk. I have roasted it to be a little more darker brown, so it gives a different kind of texture and taste. I've added a little bit more water so the halwa gets absorbed properly, and at this point of time I have added the chia seeds and the flaxseed powder. And
I also forgot to mention I have added the dry fruit as a powder, so it gets dissolved completely in the recipe. Here you can see my Suji Ka Halwa with the healthy twist is ready to get served. So this is my way of adding a little bit of nutrition to a regular halwa. Do let me know in the comments below, what do you think, what ingredients do you use to include in your recipe. And if you liked my video, if you liked my twist, do share, like and subscribe. Thanks, bye.